Okay guys, this is the next question from Cat24, the second slot. You can try it once and resume for the solution. Alright, so it's a very simple question and it's a very typical question now. We have had similar questions in Cat 23 and Cat 2018 also. Matter of factly, this type of question has been asked in every slot of the Cat 24 exam. I have already solved the one in the first slot. You can check out the link in the description. And a similar question was asked in Cat 23 also. You can check out the link in the description for the same. So let's see how we deal with this. We have been given 4x square plus 4y square minus 4xy minus 6y plus 3 is 0. Then the value of 4x plus 5y is. So in this, our first step is we slightly rewrite these two terms, okay, by changing their order. We write this as 4x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus 6y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, if you observe closely, guys, this part is 2x the whole square minus 4xy can be split as 2 into 2x into y. So I already have 2x square minus 2 into 2x into y. It's like a square minus 2ab. I simply need a b square term, means I simply need a y square term. So what I will do is the 4y square I will split as plus y square plus 3y square. Okay, and the remaining two terms as it is, minus 6y plus 3 is 0. So this part is now very clearly a minus b the whole square. So 2x minus y the whole square plus, between these three terms we can simply take a 3 common. I'll take 3 common and get y square minus 2y plus 1 is 0. So what does y square minus 2y plus 1 represent? Y minus 1 the whole square, right? So this entire expression boils down to 2x minus y the whole square plus 3 into y minus 1 the whole square is 0. Now this we have studied previously is an algebraic tautology. That is, if I write a square plus 3b square is 0, a square and b square being perfect squares, the only way a square plus 3b square can be 0 will be when a will be 0 and b will be 0. So from here we can conclude 2x minus y is 0 and y minus 1 is also 0. So I simply get y is equal to 1, which I substitute in this equation. I'll get 2x minus 1 is 0, or I'll get x is equal to 1 by 2. X is 1 by 2 and y is 1. Now I can substitute these values in the second expression to get the value of 4x plus 5y. So 4x plus 5y will be 4 into x is 1 by 2 plus 5 into y is 1. 2 cancel, 2 into 1 is 2 plus 5 into 1 is 5, 2 plus 5, your answer is 7. Beautiful question. It's a very frequently asked question now. 2024 was the limit where I saw one question of this type in every slot. So very important. Remember this concept of algebraic tautology.